guys, welcome back. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. I hope everyone is doing well. Today we are just starting off putting a wash on. This was my bed sheets that were full of fake tan. And then we go on to scrubbing the whole house. Today's video is full of cleaning motivation. We are scrubbing, I say both bathrooms, but the toilet is like separate from the main bathroom. So we are just going to scrub the tiles in here as they were very dusty. We move on to the main bathroom. We scrub the kitchen and hoover the stairs, which honestly the Henry is the best vacuum cleaner I think for pet fare that's affordable. It doesn't pick up as well as what it used to when it was brand new, but I was scrubbing the stairs with all the different attachments, which you'll see later on. And then yeah, so let's get on with today's cleaning. There is no storage in this bathroom. I would like to get a little cabinet from where that black rack is, to try and store a bit more within that. And I'm just using the Dishmatic Bathmatic with some Cif cream cleaner in to scrub the sink and scrub the bath with, as well as flash bathroom. And then we scrub all of the hard water off the shower door. It was a very gloomy day, but it was still 22 degrees. So after I'd started, to get my clean on, I was started to get really hot. So I just took my hoodie off, and then we're just going to pop all the dishes away and use the natural French soap spray to give everything a wipe down. I feel like all my videos are repetitive, but it is just maintaining a pet home. It's what I do basically every other day to just keep everything clean. And yeah, there's not much more to it. I do need a carpet cleaner to get the carpet scrubbed, and I need some like long feather dusters to like get in the beams, but all in good time. And I do obviously still work full time. My job it's chaotic, to say the least. I do really enjoy it, but it is a busy and stressful environment. And I do want to get my office all sorted and like make it all nice and pretty in the next couple of weeks, but again, everything is just all in good time. I can only do little bits and bobs in one go. So just a disclaimer, the washing basket full of washing and the shoe rack is not mine, it's my housemate's, and I don't touch any of her things, so I'm just hoovering around and then mopping, and I've got some Sephora Linen Fresh in the spray mop. So you'll see Charlie in the background. He is my housemate's dog, and he molts a lot more than what Coops does and what the cats do. I think it's because his fur is like short and white. You can just see it everywhere. So I'm currently just like fighting with the Henry different like Hoover attachments to try and figure out which one's best to pull up all the fur off the stairs. But this is one area that does need to be fully carpet cleaned. I need to get like a spot cleaner or something and just give it all a proper scrub. But for now, all I can do is hoover. That's it from me. Thank you all so much for watching, and I will see you again very soon. Bye.